Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your love reading and general read. Okay, ngayong February. Okay, so, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay perception of light. Okay? And kung kayo ay naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? And yes, so kung tayo ay interesado sa ating mga items, okay, meron tayong mga protection pang protection from evil eye. Okay, so meron tayong ring. Yung ring natin is adjustable Oo, wala nang kailangang sabihing sizes kasi na-adjust naman to. And yung ating ito yung ating bracelets. So, ito yung isa na adjust, no? Ito is garterized. Okay? So, yung ating na-adjust, na bracelet is available in red and black strings. Okay? So, meron din yung 5 kulay ng evil eye. May kanya-kanya yung ganap. May kanya-kanya silang job, no? Sa pagpoprotect sa'yo. Okay? So, ano pa ba? Yes, ito ay na-adjust. Kung nakikita nyo, na-adjust siya. Okay, so yan. And this is made with love. O, diba? Opo. Ito po yung merong merong initial na inilalagay. Initial po ng magmamayari. Okay, kukunin namin yun kung ito ang inyong ipapagawa. And yung ating evil eye necklace. So, ito siya. So, yan. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Diba? Ito yung ating pendant. So, merong black stone doon. It's blue stone. Oo, diba? Hindi lang mabigyang hustisya ng ating camera. And yes, ang gloomy ngayon. I don't know why. And, yan, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay? And yung ating love bracelet. So, si love bracelet is ganito. Para sa singles, sa may mga conflict na karelasyon, 'di ba? Maraming conflict and pwede rin sa mga magaganda naman ng samahan, so para mas mapatibay pa, no? And kasi yung mga tawag diyan, nasa isang situationship. Yan, ibibigay nito kung ano ang kailangan, no? Pagdating sa inyong situation. Okay? And yung ating granter necklace. So si granter mahilig ngayon magbigay ng surprises. Oo, kasi walang ilulusot. Okay, walang ilulusot na sabihin natin hindi ko pwedeng ibigay ito Parang ganyan, mga minamanifest nyo real talk, hindi lahat ng minamanifest niyo is pwedeng ibigay Okay, so kung hindi niya pwedeng ibigay, gagawa siya ng paraan para meron siyang ibang maibigay sa'yo, no? Sa pamamagitan parang surprise, parang ganyan na. So, kung deserve mo naman yung minamanifest mo, ang nakikita ko, walang downtime. Okay? No downtime pagdating kay granter. And this is unisex and ito po ay made to order si granter necklace. So, front and back, meron siyang design and ako lang yung nagawa nito, so wala kayong mahanap na iba, no, na kapareho na ito. Okay. And yung ating pang cord cut. Okay, so yung pang cord cut, pag-aalis ng mga mabibigat na energy o yung mga pangit na energy na parang nakakabit pa sa inyo kaya hindi kayo makausad. So para kayong nabibigatan na kayo sa sitwasyon nyo in general. So, siya yung mag-aalis. Tayo nga mag-aalis and ito yung magsisilbing black para hindi sila makabalik. Okay? So, yun lamang. Kung may iba pang tanong, message na lang po. So, again. Capricorn placements. Okay. So, kapag sinabi kong placements, meaning Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and the North Node. Okay? So, let's see. Capricorn, ano bang meron for you in general? General muna po ngayong Feb. Okay. Sa buong February, anong meron for you, Capricorn? In general, kung meron tayong makitang specific, babanggitin ko. Okay. Capricorn. Okay. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. This could be a work related, no? Ano bang meron? What's with this 3 of Pentacles in reverse? The 4 of Swords in reverse. 4 nga ba? Yeah. So, merong mga issue around workplace ang pwedeng ma-resolve or mapapag-usapan. May mga mapapag-usapan. I'm hearing din the word, ang tawag dyan, brainstorm. Parang ganyan. I don't know bakit brainstorm. Okay? Anyway. So, alam mo yun, meron din dito parang energy about kumustahan pagdating sa isang company. Be ready. I'm hearing audit. Okay? So, so in general, pagdating sa mga ginagawa mo, iba sa inyo, may mga i-fix in general, no? Specific. Pwedeng something about a conversation na hindi nagtapos or pwedeng meron ditong magyayaring answers. May maibibigay na answers or closure. Parang ganyan. Meron makikipag-ayos sa'yo na katrabaho, kaklase. May papansin sa'yo na parang matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap, parang ganyan. So, what else for Capricorn? The 10 of Wands in reverse. What's with that? So, less burden, ma-uplift, oo, yung energy. What's with this 10 of Wands in reverse? This is saying, yung energy is talking about relaxing, okay? Parang kailangan mo munang mamahinga ng kahit kaunti or ilang araw. Parang may ganyan. Siguro, nandyan yung magpa-file ka ng leave sa work, if ever. Nandyan yung parang, oops, hindi muna ako magbubukas ng aking business for 2 years. 2 years? parang kailangan na ng ano na. I mean, mga 2 days. Ganyan. Nabigla kayo, ako din. Baka sobra na yung pagod, no? Kaya 2 years na. Ano tong 10 of Wands in reverse? Yeah. Oo, 6 of Wands in reverse. Okay. Ito ha. Nakikita ko, less effort. Meron ako ditong naririnig, less effort, pero andoon yung parang victory pa rin, success, parang ganyan, no? Yung sabihin natin, hindi mo masyadong pag-i-insertan. Bakit ganun yung mga salita ko ngayon? Okay. Yung hindi mo masyadong, pagbibigyan ng effort. Okay? Focus. Pero nandun yung energy about success, about victory. Meron din ditong mga, energy na kahit ganyan ang gawa mo, andoon yung may mga naiinggit sa'yo. Okay? Let's see. The 2 of Wands, puro Wands. Alam niyo yung Wands, this is talking about action, no? Movement. So, sinasabi dito, kaunting relax, parang ganyan, no? So, yeah. Kaunti, the devil. Yung iba sa inyo, talagang, okay, kailangan ko mag-grind. Grind lang ng grind. Parang ganun, work lang ng work. Parang ganyan, no? Para tayo ay kumain. Pero hindi minsan-minsan kailangan nyo rin na magpahinga kahit kauntian. Okay, isa lang ang ating katawan oo, diba? Katawan. Somebody wants to F you. Ano po yun? Ayoko sabihin. Oo. Somebody wants to F you. Diba? Ayoko sabihin oo, bad. Okay, so tingnan natin. Fire sign. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Yung mga hindi nakaintindi, comment down below para malaman nila. Baka sakali nagbabasa yung mga hindi nakagets. Basa-basa na lang po sa comment section. Okay. What else for Capricorn? The Star in reversed. What is that? Hi. Okay, Star in reversed. And the Knight of Swords. There's this somebody na pwedeng magbibigay ng interest sa'yo, pero lagi namang ganon, as usual, no? Parang hindi ka magbibigay ng interest. The Three of Cups in reverse. Meron pa ditong ma-friend zone. Meron kayong if-friend zone, no? Isang aqua and isang air sign. Specific yun. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Pwedeng i-friend zone ninyo. This person, sabihin natin, ginugusto ka sa totoo lang. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. You're not interested. You're closed off. Wala akong pakalam dyan. Gusto kong parang mag-ipon na lang, mag-focus sa work ko. I hate this. Parang ganyan. I don't know, ha? Oo, masyadong kayong guarded. Masyadong guarded yung iba sa inyo. Yung iba naman, na alam ninyong open na open kayo for love. This is not your read, ha? Sinasabi ko lang dito na merong energy about someone na interested sa'yo. Pero, yun nga, may chance na i-friend zone mo, ha? Okay, why? Let's see. Aside sa gusto mo lang talagang mag-focus sa career mo, sa mga pinagkakaabalahan mo sa buhay, why? Aside doon, tingnan natin, why the Star in reverse? Pwedeng hindi ka lang talaga interesado sa tao, kaya ganyan. Iba sa inyo, pang dadahilan na lang din yun, yung mga ginagawa nyo. Study first. Mga ganyang bagay. Ano tong Star in reverse? Diba? Page of Swords. Page of Swords, sabihin natin, yes, gagawa lang kayong dahilan. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong you're eyeing someone. You're eyeing ibang tao. No? Parang meron kang ginugustong iba. You're still looking or maybe searching for other people pa na sabihin natin, wala kasi interest dito eh. Wala kang interest sa kanya. Pero siya meron. Ikaw, nakikita ko yun nga, hindi mo siya interest, no? Hindi ka interesado sa kanya, then, iba sa inyo, may ginugusto kayong iba, kaya ganyan. Okay? Edi, sabihin mo yung totoo, ha? Oo, kung ganun man, kung meron kang ginugustong iba, sabihin mo yung totoo. Okay? Iba naman sa inyo, may kakonect na, or may kausap, parang ganyan. Yeah, the Four of Cups. Anyway. Oh my God. Some of you, you'll get or you'll hear from an ex. Kasi hindi pa sila nakaka-move on from you. Pahapyaw lang yun na message. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa iyong person. The person on Capricorn's mind. Who is this? Sino ito, Capricorn? Share mo naman. Para may lathala. May lathala. Yung inyong storya dito, no? Let's see. Capricorn, the person on your mind. Tayo ay lang, ha? Wag tayo masyadong seryoso. Okay? Capricorn. Okay. So, the Four of Wands in reverse. So, there's this separation. Okay, sa inyong dalawa. Some of you, hindi pa siya totally ready to settle down. May chance na unstable pa itong taong to. Some of them, no work. No work. Wala silang work. O, diba? Tinagalog ko. Ano pang meron sa taong to? The Six of Wands. Not Wands. The Six of Pentacles. So, may chance na nagkaroon kayo ng connection itong taong to na napaka-weak. Nagkaroon kayo ng on and off ng taong to. May chance na ikaw lagi nagbibigay sa kanya ng another chance. Okay? Because, in general, they need you. Okay? Yeah. The Six of Wands. Diba? Kaya pala nabanggit ko Wands. Ito pala siya sa ilalim. Okay, the Ace of Swords is here in reversed. So, I don't know kung may malinaw dito, no, nakasunduan sa inyo, or sabihin nating malinaw ba sa isa't isa kung anong intention ninyo sa isa't isa, isa ba yung inyong ruta pagdating dito sa connection. I think meron ditong hindi pagkakaunawaan, no, or some of you hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng communication now lately, no, recently hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Okay, maybe a little or no connection or communication, no? Some of you dealt with a cheater, Capricorn, or maybe you're dealing with a cheater or dealt with a cheater. This is a cheater. Ito yung taong lagi na lang humihingi rin ng attention from other people. Siya yung, diba? Ang dami ko nakikita. So, puro negats. Oo. Sa bagay, they're not, stable enough. May chance na wala pa silang ganun ka-solid na pangarap sa buhay sa ngayon. Okay, let me see. Anong meron sa situation ninyo, Capricorn? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon? The Ten of Swords in reversed. This needs to end. Totally ending. Okay, it's like the last nail sa coffin. Para totally mag-close na, no? What's with this Ten of Swords in reversed? Yeah, the Four of Cups. Somebody is in regret, living in regrets, kasi parang feeling niya somebody is hindi na open for another chance. Huwag kayong manghinayang dito. You have to release yourself from a narcissistic person. Some of you. Kailangan mo na. Yeah, I think kailangan mangyari to na may separation if ever. Kung nagyayaya ng itong taong to na magkahiwalay kayo, then ibigay mo. Meron tong hinihingi sa iba sa inyo, which is yung kanyang sabi nating freedom, or kung pinaparamdam ng taong to na parang hindi kayo balanse, like energy na parang one-sided, then hindi mo na kailangang marinig sa kanya, no, yung salitang gusto na ng break. Ibigay mo na kahit wala siyang hinihingi. Yes, because this is unhealthy. There's no balance here. This is one-sided connection. Somebody is gumagawa ng gumagawa, bumibigay ng bigay, and then yung isa is hindi. Like, kakarampot. Okay? So, wag kayong manghinayang or wag kayong matakot ibigay kung anong kailangang ibigay dito sa sitwasyon. Alam nyo naman yun. Alam nyo yun kung ano. Yes, we're talking about endings here. Capricorn. Andyan yung panghihinayang. Iba sa inyo, kung ibinigay mo na, somebody is living in regrets. Meron ditong mga nanghihinayang. Okay? Some of you, alam ng taong to na ikaw yung kanyang, the one that got away. You're the one that got away, Capricorn. Boo-hoo. Like that. Okay? Seven of Cups, Universe. Somebody has an open option. I don't know who. Let's see what is their emotion right now. Deep down. Currently. Emotion ng taong to sa'yo ngayon, Capricorn. Okay. Iba talaga dito, gusto pa ng connection nitong taong to with you. Makapagbalikan, pero wala naman siyang ibinibigay na magandang takbo, no? So let's see, emotion for you. Yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse. So you're the unfulfilled wish Okay? So, talagang ang laking kawalan mo dito sa taong to, Capricorn. They are sad. Some of you nagkaroon ng codependency. Okay? So, ikaw yung kanyang the one that got away. And yeah, the unfulfilled wish nitong taong to. Page of Wands. Yes. Umaasa tong taong to talaga na magkaroon pa kayo ng parang simula muli. Pero they're just a page. They're just a page. So napakaliit ng sabihin nating idea kung bakit gusto niyang makipagbalikan, kung bakit gusto niyang makita kang muli, makausap kang muli, makakonect kang muli. Napakaliit. Okay? Ng idea kung bakit. They're not a king, they're not an emperor, just a page. This person wants to get your attention though. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the Empress in reverse. Why? Meaning, itong taong to nawawalan ng parang sabihin nating lalo na ngayon ng direksyon sa buhay nung nawala ka dito. Let's see. Ano ang next action ng taong to sa'yo, Capricorn? What is their next action? Kasi nakikita ko dito, they want to reach you out. Like, they want to, like, clear the air. Okay, break the ice. Okay? So, ganyan. There's tension here. Okay, let's see. It's like walking on the thin ice. Parang ganyan. Parang anyway, so let's see their next action. Oo, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. No to less action. It's like hahayaan ko to. Hahayaan ko lang. Sabi sa iyo kasi page lang to. More on sabihin nating message. Anong magagawa ng message, no? Kung hindi rin naman totally magkakaroon ng magandang kooperasyon sa sarili niya, kung gagawin man niya yung gusto niya gawin dito sa connection. So, anong next action? The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. So, hindi niya masyadong iisipin to, hindi niya masyadong bibigyang focus. Bakit? The Seven of Wands in reversed. Feeling niya hindi niya kaya ito. Feeling niya hindi niya kaya itong labanan or parang ipaglaban ka, hindi niya kaya. Okay? Wala siyang means. Like, wala siyang K. Some of you, this is young. Somebody. They're sad. They need you. Again, the Empress in reverse. This person needs you. Oh my. They need you. They're sad. They're upset. They're crying. They're living in regrets. Yeah. Ang nakikita ko lang dito sa taong to, kahit hindi siya gumawa ng way papunta sa'yo, to reach you out, open lang to. Open lang siya. Wala siyang gagawing blockages. If ever. Okay? Ayaw niya rin itong masyadong kaisipin kasi nai-stress siya. Sa totoo lang. Nai-stress siya kapag wala ka. Hindi niya alam ang gagawin. Tingnan natin. How do this person sees you? How do they see you, Capricorn? Kasi, yeah, wala siyang kayang gawin. Ano bang meron? Ano bang tingin niya sa'yo ngayon, Capricorn? The Nine of Pentacles. Being pretty, being handsome, sabihin natin, being independent, being happy without them. Yan ang tingin nila sa'yo. Focusing on something more important than them. The Nine of Pentacles. This is the energy of the Empress. Okay, this is the pre-Empress pagdating sa tarot. Yeah. Pre-Empress, pre-Emperor, like, yeah. Okay? Well, talagang malaki ang panghihinayang niya. Lumbay-lumbayan to, Capricorn. Lumbay-lumbayan siya. Lahat binigay mo dito, oh. Tas ngayon, nung ibinigay mo yung freedom, no? Oo, well, andun yung regrets. They see you as the Nine of Pentacles. Independent, strong, yeah. Let's see anong outcome / advice for you, Capricorn. So, gawin mo. Kung anong nakikita nila, I think ito rin talaga yung ginagawa mo. Okay? Hindi malayo. Focusing on your stability, on your work, on your career, on your finances, on yourself. Then, yeah. Nakakatakot naman talaga i-approach ang ganyan, no? Anyway, so, anong meron? Outcome / advice for you, Capricorn. So, pagpatuloy mo to, okay, kung ganito nga yung ginagawa mo. Pero kahit hindi ganyan ang ginagawa mo, well, ganyan ang tingin niya sa'yo. Ganyan ang tingin niya. Ganyan ang iniisip niya. You're getting a lot of attention from other people kasi si Nine of Pentacles, sabi ko nga, that's being, focusing on self, parang ganyan. Like the pre-Empress. Like the Empress. Beautiful, handsome, parang ganyan, no? Yung parang hindi kinakailangan ng iba to live, to be happy, mga ganun. Yeah, the world, universe, still the unfinished business is here. What's with that world, universe? The Nine of Wands. Kung mayroon kayong kailangang closure na gawin itong taong to, do it. Okay? Kasi meron pa ditong issue na saswep lang under the rug. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong kailangang bigyan ng closure. The Knight of Pentacles. Para rin makausad tong taong to. Kasi pwede yun nga, may hinihingi siya eh. Okay? May hinihingi siya. If this is a new person, then gusto nila ng relationship with you, ng connection. Okay? Sabihin mo kung ano ang prioridad mo. Kasi hindi niya kayang parang itanong, ipilit, okay, sa'yo. Kasi masyado kang busy. Parang wala kang time for love, sabi. If this is a new person. Okay, and if you're single nga. Or currently, talagang busy, no? So, there. Hindi nila kaya mag-open up kung bagong tao to, kung new person. If this is an ex, a past person, then sabihin mo rin kung may pag-asa pa ba na may mangyaring, sabihin natin open ka pa ba or hindi na. Just say it. Okay? So, para may mag-end dito totally. This is ending ninyo is meron pa ring unfinished business. Meaning, meron pang mga nakabinbin na mga tanong dito. Kung kailangan nyo ng sagot from you, then give them the answers they want, they need. Okay? So, yeah. And then after, kapag nasabi mo na, naibigay mo na yung mga kailangan nila, then enough na yun. It's up to them kung ano nang gagawin nila afterwards. Okay? So there. So hindi ko na babanggitin yung mga zodiac sign. This could be any sign anyway. So tayo tumungo na sa all signs for your Capricorn placements. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. So, Capricorns. Capricorn. Share ko lang, dadayo ako bukas sa Pateros. Sino mga taga Pateros dyan? Oo. Yeah. Hi sa mga taga Pateros. O, diba? Sa mga followers natin dyan. Thank you. Okay. So, and syempre, sa lahat-lahat, no, na sumusuporta. Salamat. So, all signs, Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Okay. Aries, you're waiting. There's a lot of expectations here. Taurus. This person, gusto niya na tawag dyan? Mag-lower down ka daw ng guard mo. Gusto nila makuha yung tiwala mo, Capricorn. Gemini, they want you, like, they want nurture. Okay, nurturing. Parang ganyan. Gusto nila ng care mo. Parang ganyan. Cancer. So, energy about endings, no? And energy about changes. Yeah. Leo. Oops. Ano to? Okay, they're moving on. Si Leo, nagmo-move on from you. Pero still waiting. They're like waiting in vain. No? So, sino? Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Virgo. Si Virgo, they're manifesting you. They like you. Parang lahat na ng sabihin nating sources or resources is nasa kanya na. Okay? Pero parang ikaw lang hinihintay ni Virgo na mag-down ng iyong guard. They're like ready. They're ready for you. To si Virgo. Libra, you're giving you mixed signals. You're confused. Some of them, hindi lahat ng sinasabi nila is totoo, ha? Lahat ng pinapakita, hindi lahat totoo. So, Scorpio, non-committal. Hindi pa sila ready to settle down or hindi sila ready to commit. Okay, so, Sagittarius, sabihin natin, they're guarding themselves, they're guarding their emotions, maybe they're hiding their true emotions for you. Okay, so Capricorn, so si Capricorn, they're avoiding you, or maybe there's this decision with this Capricorn na kailangan gawin. Aquarius, hindi sila ready to commit. Okay, ayaw nila na makakompromiso. So, Pisces, hindi na sila ganun na parang nag-expect from you. Okay? Some of them, andun yung parang ayaw na lang talaga nilang mag-expect kasi ayaw nilang masaktan. Okay? It's like, andun yung pain, andun yung anger. Parang may ganyan, no? Na sabihin natin, okay, hindi ko kailangan to. May ganyang energy. Hindi ko kailangan to kasi baka mami masaktan lang ako. May ganun. Oo, parang may ganun. So, yeah, the Ace of Wands. Sabihin natin physically, there's this energy about attraction rin naman. Okay, from the Pisces. Pero, yun nga, takot sila na ma-reject maybe. So, there, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you! Bye!